Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about Microsoft Sway. Maybe you have heard about this application, but many of us have never heard about this application. So, I will give you a tutorial to make a different presentation using Sway. In this application, we don't need to think about how to animate the right presentation for the presentation we are going to create, because Sway itself is designed to be used easily. So we only need to enter the content that we are going to present. This Sway can be used on any device, whether it's a tablet, cell phone, or laptop. To start using Sway, visit www.sway.com in any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Click on the top. Its Sway create visually striking newsletters, presentations, and documentation in minutes. There's actually a lot that we can get and make using Sway, from reports, presentations, newsletters, personal stories, photo albums, and visual travel reports. And then you click Get Started button. Then will be appear like this. Enter your Microsoft account. If there's no Microsoft account, then you click Create One. Then enter the email you normally use and create a password. If you already have a Microsoft account, you only need to enter your email, then click Next, followed by Enter Password, then click Sign In. Usually, at the beginning of using Sway, there will be definitely a little tutorial from Sway that will appear here. If it appears, you can read it first, then click the arrow and start. If we scroll down, we will see some template design provided by Sway, but we can explore it. But here we will make a presentation with our own design, so we click Create New. Here we need to write the title of the presentation or material that we will create, so we click the plus sign. The function of this symbol is that every time we want to add content to the presentation we make, we click it. We can see here that if we want to add text, we click text, then the heading and text options appear. If we want to add media, click on the words media. It will display options such as image, video, audio, embed, and upload. Then if we click group, the options will appear: automatic, grade, comparison, stack, and slideshow. Write a title here. If we want to emphasize our writing, then we click emphasize. Meanwhile, if we click accent, it will give an italic effect to the writing. Then we add background. We click. Then several backgrounds or image will appear that have been provided by Sway and match the title that we created. If you want to find other image, we click Search Source. Then type what we are looking for. However, because I had prepared the presentation material here before, I choose to upload it. So I click plus, then I click upload, then find where I put the file. After clicking upload, above here will display your file. And also keep in mind, because Sway is online technology, we still need internet access. Then proceed by adding material in the form of text. Then we click plus, then click text. After that, I added another picture. Maybe if you haven't prepared the material, you can search for it on Google first or make the material yourself. But here, I have prepared the presentation material. Now, we will add more image. But this time, we will try to click focus point. Here we can see how our presentation image will be displayed on a cell phone screen or something else. We can adjust where the focus of the image will be. If we don't want to show this whole image, we need to set the focus point like this. Click here, the image will look like this. Here, I also want to add related text, a group of sentences, so I click group, then click tag, then add text. So here we add two different but related texts. Let's try to see how the presentation looks when we select tag. At the top right, you can see the play button, then click it. The display of the previous text will be like this. If we want to see the second text, we just click on the part by this text. Then it will be seen if the text appears alternately with the second text. Then I'll do the same thing again, but this time using automatic and inserting another piece of content. We will try to see how it looks again. Okay, we will try to see how it looks again. If we use automatic, then the text will look like this. After that, I will do the same as before. Okay, in here I've put some content that I need. Then I'll show you how to input audio. Click media. Here are some options that appear. We click audio, then we click add an audio file. The file explorer will appear. But if we click record, the recorder menu will appear, which will record our voice right away. But here, I'm not going to use it, so let's just delete it. At the end of the presentation, I will add a video. We click the plus sign, then click media, then click video. Then on the other hand, it will appear automatically like we were looking for the image earlier. Here I will try to write the title in Indonesian. After I wrote the title, it turns out it looks like what is on YouTube. Then I will choose okay, I choose this one. Then we click add. After that, we will try to play it. The display will be like this. How to display the presentation, we just need to scroll down. But if you don't like the presentation method like that, we can add it in the settings icon. We click will appear change layout. In here are three. First, we just scroll down. Then the second, with a presentation view with a sideways transition like this. Then the third presentation will look like this. Like a normal presentation with slides like PowerPoint. Then what if we want to use another template to make it look more attractive? We are back to editing the presentation. Before we made this presentation in the storyline section, this time we will be in the design menu. In the right corner, a style button will appear. Then click it. It will look like this. Here, you can adjust the appearance one by one in Customize or directly choose a design like this. We just have to scroll down. There are many options here. If you don't feel right, we can explore again. And if you feel that we have found a suitable template, we click on it and try to play it. Then the presentation display will match the template we choose. The presentation in Sway looks more minimalistic and futuristic, unlike the templates in PowerPoint. Then how do we share this presentation with others? Here's a button share. We click it, will appear like this. It says anyone with the link can access this way. We can also choose participants who can later view this presentation or edit the presentation. If we want, people to see this presentation, we can select view. But if we want others to be able to edit this presentation, first click edit button. But since the purpose of this presentation is to teach, we only need to select view, then copy the link, so that everyone who gets the links can access the presentation through the website. After copy the link, we paste it into, maybe to the WhatsApp group. That we go back to Sway. Always in the top right corner there's 3 dots, click it. Then several menus appear, then we click My Sway. We can see the sway that we created earlier. If you can see here, there's an icon that shows the number of numbers indicating that this sway has been accessed by several people. That's a tutorial on using Sway. I apologize if there's an error. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.